port scanning in network using Nmap. In this video we are going to take a look at a couple of points. First of all, we will learn about port scanning and various port numbers, and then I will show you that how you can perform port scanning using Nmap tool. So let's start with the port scanning introduction, that what is port scanning and how it is beneficial. So port scanning means find open ports available in network using Nmap tool. So I'm taking a simple tool, Nmap, which is already available in Kali Linux. You can use any other tool available on internet, right? So by using Nmap tool, you can find out open ports available inside network. And why it is necessary? Because if you have the open ports, an attacker can try to insert in these ports and take over the internet. That's why open ports are necessary. So attacker basically uses Nmap tool to gather information about the open ports in your network and tries to attack on those open ports. What are the common ports are available in network? So these are the common ports are available. For example, you can use 21 FTP, 22 SSH, 23 Telnet, 25 SMTP, 80 HTTP, 443 HTTPS. So these port numbers are available on internet. You can basically check the list of the port numbers on internet. So there are 65,535 ports available in network, and if any port number is open, then it means the attacker can use that port number to get access in your network. So that's why finding open ports is necessary inside penetration testing process. Now I will show you how you can perform port scanning using Nmap tool inside Kali Linux operating system. So first of all, start your Kali Linux operating system, and I will show you that how you can use it for port scanning. So guys, we are here at Kali Linux operating system, and I'm going to show you that how you can perform port scanning. It's quite simple. Open the terminal of Kali Linux, and here I'm going to show you. So there is a tool available inside Kali Linux which is Nmap. So you can type nmap-h to get information about Nmap, that what kind of tool it is and what are the commands available inside it, so that you can learn from here, right? -h is for help, right? So for example, you can get information about the open port numbers, closed port numbers, the operating system details, etc. So for example, if you want to get information about the open ports in a website, so how you can get it? For example, to get information about a website port number, so you can type nmap space the website name. So I'm going to use a sample website which is provided by Acunetics company, right? And we all can use this website for testing purpose, right? If you test anyone else's website, so that will be illegal without the permission, but you can use this sample website because this is just for testing purpose. So you can type here nmap space vulnweb.com and hit enter. So what will happen? Basically, it will provide you all the information about this particular website, vulnweb.com, like the port numbers and some other information like what is the operating system available inside the website. So this all can be gathered by using here. It will try to gather as much as possible. So you can see here that this was our command, right? And first of all, what are the open ports available? So you can see here that state is open. Filtered means Nmap is not sure that the port number is either open or closed. So open means it is confirmed open. Filtered means the Nmap is not sure. But you can see here that there are a lot of open ports are available in this website. This is a testing website, so we can perform port scanning on that, right? So you can see here that these all are the open ports available inside it, right? So it's quite simple, just nmap space and the target name. The target can be a website, the target can be an IP address of a website, and the target can be an IP address of a server, IP address of a machine, doesn't matter. You can also perform port scanning on any machine in your network. You just need to provide the IP address here, right? For example, this is your IP address 192.168.0.7. So you can try. Let me clear it. You can type here nmap space 192.168.0.7 and hit enter. So you can see here that there is only one port is open, 80, and it is a default one because without 80 port number you cannot work. right? So that's why if 80 port is open or 443 port is open, that is fine. Other ports are basically attacker can use some other ports, but if 80 and 443 are open, so that is fine for you, right? So you can use IP address, you can use website here, and you can find out the port number using Nmap tool. This is quite simple. So this is all about how you can perform port scanning using Nmap, and Nmap has thousands of commands and that you can learn from internet, that you can search or you can research about the Nmap, and you can run thousands of commands inside Nmap. But that I have provided you information is all the basic information about Nmap, that how we use Nmap, how ethical hackers use Nmap, that I have all provided you. So this is all about Nmap port scanning process, and in the next video we are going to learn about Nessus installation, which is a network vulnerability scanner. Thank you.